Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create humorous and satirical animated health videos using AI. First, go to prompt.auto.io. Then click on the Chatbot prompt section and purchase the chatbot called The Chatbot Creates Humorous and Satirical Animated Videos About Health. After completing your purchase, you will receive the Gemini chatbot link inside your purchase product section. Copy that link, paste it into a new browser tab, and you'll arrive at the chatbot interface like this. To start the chatbot, type Start. Right after that, the chatbot will display topic options. Here, you simply choose Topic A or Topic B. Then enter the health topic suggested by the chatbot, or if you prefer, you can type in any topic you want. Once submitted, the chatbot will immediately analyze your request and generate a complete prompt package with multiple scenes. Each scene includes an image prompt and a video prompt, designed specifically in a humorous, satirical animated style about health. Next, copy the image prompt. Open Google Veo 3 AI. Choose the image generation module. Set the aspect ratio to vertical 9:16. Select the number of images you want to generate. Then paste the prompt, upload a reference image if required, and click Generate. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes. Once all images are completed, copy the video prompt. Go back to Google Veo 3. Choose the video generation module. Paste the matching video prompt for each scene. Upload the correct generated image for that scene. Select Start Frame Mode. Then click Generate Video. Once all short video clips are completed, the only thing left is editing and assembling everything together. I'll use CapCut to edit the final video, add voiceover, sound effects, and background music to make it more engaging. And in just a few simple steps, you'll have a highly engaging animated health video ready for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to follow for more AI chatbot workflows and automated video creation tools.